First, though, another big story. The driver accused of killing 5 people in a deadly crash in Fort Pierce around Thanksgiving was in court for less than 5 minutes this morning.
Tanner Dashner said very little in those few minutes. He's facing 5 counts now of DUI manslaughter and vehicular homicide. In the courtroom was News Channel 5's Alana Quillen. Alana, the suspect's bond is going to stay at $7.5 million, huh?
That's right, guys. His bond still at $7.5 million. As you said, that hearing only lasted just 2 minutes, and he was mostly quiet, only to answer yes, sir, to some of the judge's questions. Now, he's charged with 5 counts of DUI manslaughter and vehicular homicide. If Dashner is able to bond out, the judge laid out a list of pretrial conditions. He would be on house arrest and fitted with an ankle monitor, a GPS tracking device. He can't consume any drugs or alcohol unless they're prescribed by a doctor, and he will be subject to random drug testing. He's also not allowed near any place that sells alcohol or drugs as their primary cell. Now, loved ones of the 5 victims told WPTV that the wait for this arrest has certainly been agonizing.
Kind of frustrating. I'm not even gonna lie. It's real frustrating.
There's no question about who did it. This isn't a mystery to solve.
Now, the crash report says Dashner was driving 97 miles per hour in a 30-mile-per-hour zone. In order to arrest him, investigators said they had to get a subpoena approved for Dashner's medical records from when he was hospitalized after the crash. Now, only Dashner's attorney was in attendance at the hearing this morning. She declined to comment on this case. Of course, we're also still waiting for confirmation on Dashner's blood alcohol content level as well. Reporting live in Fort Pierce, Alana Quillen, WPTV News Channel 5.
I do want to let you know Big Apple Pizza in Fort Pierce is holding a fundraiser for those victims' families from 4 to close today. 100% of the purchases will be donated to them. There's going to be a raffle as well as a silent auction.